Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to make a website. Building a website is an exciting venture, and understanding the financial commitment upfront is key. The truth is, there isn't a single price tag. It really depends on what you envision for your online presence. We'll explore the various factors that influence the total cost, from the basic necessities to more advanced features, helping you budget effectively for your digital project. Let's dive into the core components that shape your website's price. First, you'll need a domain name, which is your website's address, usually costing around $10 to $20 each year. Then there's hosting, the online space where your website lives, which can vary from a few dollars to hundreds monthly. Finally, deciding whether to use a do-it-yourself builder or hire a professional will be one of your biggest financial decisions. Beyond the basics, design and functionality play a huge role in your website's final cost. A custom-designed website, tailored to your brand, can be a significant investment, often ranging from a few hundred to several $1,000s. Adding advanced features like an online store, a booking system, or a members-only section will also increase the development time and expense. Don't forget about the cost of creating compelling content, which is essential for engaging your visitors. Finally, let's consider the long-term expenses. A website isn't a one-time purchase. It requires ongoing maintenance, including software updates and security checks, to keep it running smoothly. Investing in search engine optimization and online marketing is also vital to ensure people can find your site. As your business grows, you might want to add new features or expand your content, which will naturally involve further investment. It's all part of nurturing your online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.